So someone asked a while back, how do the door speaker grills come off? But today I've actually got the door card off, so I thought we'd have a look behind and see exactly what's going on. So obviously today we're looking at the rear door card, but what we can see straight away behind it is there's just one clip at the top here. Looking around, I can't see anything obvious. I'm not sure, or I wasn't sure initially when I first started to trying to take it out, whether or not they came out forwards or whether they came out backwards. Looking at it, I think it's relatively obvious that they need to go forwards. So what I'm going to do is just lift it up, see if I can push that clip up at all, see if it wants to go, and see if that gives us anything. Just pushing that clip on the inside doesn't seem to be giving anything. So what I'm going to do is just have a look at the back. I've got a pry tool here, so I'm just going to try and pry it out from the front again. When I tried the one on the front door, it seemed like it wanted to come out kind of from behind as such, because when I was doing it, it kind of seemed like it went inside it ever so slightly. But I'm going to persevere, I'll find out, and then I'll let you know. Okay, well, I think the simple answer is they don't come out. It's a really bright day today, so there's loads of light, and what I can actually see when I get a pry tool in the seam is that the moulding of this kind of does go behind this bottom section here, or in fact not just the bottom section but the whole way around. So it obviously comes in from behind. The actual whole plastic moulding comes in, and it's all one bit. That whole bit around there, it's all one piece. And then when we look behind, what we can actually see is that where that's gone in, it's obviously being pushed in and clipped in as part of that clip. That must be this main part of the door body as such, or the door card body. And then what's happened is this lower section actually comes on, and this is plastic welded over the top. So for it to come out, what you'd need to do is take off this whole section here, and that's going to be the same in the front door as well, I think, and then you'd be able to kind of bring it out this way. But obviously that would mean undoing how many plastic welds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plastic welds. So if it's rattling, which is the problem that some people seem to have an issue with, I'd say ideally work out where the rattling's coming from, if it's top, bottom, middle, or wherever it might be, and either try and wedge something in there to stop it rattling, or if you can, maybe, I don't know, take your door card off, bead a super glue somewhere on the back perhaps might stop it from working, or not stop it from working, stop it from rattling, I mean. But yeah, in actual fact it doesn't come off, so that's the answer. So as disappointing as it is, I hope it's been useful to someone, certainly the subscriber that said they had a problem with it vibrating. So if you have found it useful, give us a like down below. Remember to hit subscribe coming up here now. But for now, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.